Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the objectives of research. Basically, we know that what is research. Research is basically to systematically approach a particular thing, investigate a particular thing and come up with the new ideas that are unknown to other people. So the main objective of any type of research that can be done by any doctor about a patient problems and its solution, a student about its study related problems, by researchers, by journalists, or any sort of people. So these the objectives of all types of research is to bring all the facts and the hidden stories that are unknown to others, and to expose all these things is the main objective. So objectives of research, there are, I have already told you, there are many types of researches. So they all the types of researches at the end will have a common objective. So I will discuss the objectives of the research one by one. First can be the to achieve skillfulness with a trend, or to get novel opinions, like we see many hot stories on the TV shows or around us, or as a current affairs. But if we want to get skillfulness, like we want to get skillfulness about a particular skill set or a trend, like it is said that the death penalty is effective in deterring the criminal offenses. If we do research, like if we do exploratory research, formulative research, and we will formulate things, and then we will come up with many novel opinions that will in favor of that particular myth, or that will be against that particular myth, and we will come up with the facts. So we by to achieve skillfulness, first will be the to achieve skillfulness, and with a trend, or to get novel opinions into it. The next will be to find out the characteristics of a particular character, condition, or grouping. And this research will be a descriptive research, like we can say that how thing seems, how a particular condition seems, and so how a grouping seems, how we can, after we experience it, we will come up with a description of that things, that situations, and that grouping. And next will be to establish the relationship with which something occur, or with which it is related to something. So this is the diagnostic research, how one thing is related to other, and how one situation is related to other. So it is all about uh, things that are interrelatable, and we use variables for that thing. So to get the relationship between things, we do research. And the last is to test a hypothesis of a reasonable liaison and between different variables. Like we can say that one variable can be the COVID-19 is man-made, and second hypothesis can be the COVID-19 is a natural uh, pandemic. So after doing a lot of research, after testing each hypothesis, we will come to a particular conclusion, and that after this, the objective of research will be met. So these are all four objectives. First was to explore the things, to explore the new ideas. Second was to get the relationship between two different things, and third was to get the information, to get the characteristic about a particular situation, condition. And the last one was analysis type of research, like to test a hypothesis whether it is true or not, what people think about that, and other things. So these are all the objectives of doing research.